To get started with an Afterpay credit card, first understand what Afterpay is. Afterpay is a buy now pay later service that allows you to make purchases and pay for them in installments. Step 1 is to download the Afterpay app or sign up on their website. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to create an account. This includes your name, email address, phone number, and payment method. Step 2 is to apply for an Afterpay credit card. This card is a digital card that you can use to make purchases online or in store. You will need to meet certain eligibility criteria to be approved for the card. Step 3 is to set up your payment schedule. With Afterpay, you can split your purchases into 4 equal installments that are due every 2 weeks. You will need to make sure you have enough money in your account to cover each installment. Step 4 is to start shopping. You can use your Afterpay credit card to make purchases at thousands of retailers. When you check out, simply select Afterpay as your payment method and follow the prompts. Some key concepts to keep in mind when using an Afterpay credit card include interest rates and fees. Afterpay does not charge interest, but you will be charged a late fee if you miss a payment. A practical example of how to use an Afterpay credit card is if you want to buy a new pair of shoes that cost $100. You can use Afterpay to split the cost into 4 installments of $25 each, due every 2 weeks. Best practices for using an Afterpay credit card include making sure you have enough money in your account to cover each installment, and keeping track of your payment schedule. You should also make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your Afterpay credit card, including any fees or charges that may apply. By following these steps and keeping these key concepts in mind, you can use an Afterpay credit card to make purchases and pay for them in installments. This can be a convenient and flexible way to shop, as long as you use the service responsibly and make your payments on time.